morning students. Today we learn exponents and power. First of all, we learn about this and power. If any term is given in the form of x to the power n, here the quantity which is lying in downward direction is known as base, and the quantity which is lying in upward direction is known as power. Here x is known as base, n is known as power. The total quantity x to the power n is called exponential form. Exponential form. Thus, we calculate x is called base, m is called power, and total quantity x to the power m is known as exponential form. If we have to write any numbers in the form of exponential, then we write 2 to the power 2. It means 2 multiplied by 2 times. Means 2 into 2. It means 4. If you write 3 to the power 3, it means 3 is called base and m is called power. Now, if we want to extend it 3 to the power 3, it means we multiply 3 by 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. Revision again. The quantity which is lying in the form of x to the power m is called exponential form. Here x is called base and m is called power. Now we study about law of exponents. Law of exponent. लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट में सबसे पहला रूल होता है x to the power m into x to the power n. Here we see that base are equal. When in any exponential form base are equal, then we add the power. It is equal to x to the power m plus n. For example, if question said that calculate 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 8, we can write here we see that 5 and 5, it means base are equal. 5 2 plus 8 2 plus 8, it means 5 to the power 10. Listen again. If in any exponential form base are equal, then we add the power. Is equal to x to the power m plus n. Second law says that x to the power m divided x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. Here we see that base is equal and condition is divide. When in divide conditions base are equal, we subtract the power. It means x is equal to x to the power m divided x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. यदि किसी भी क्वेश्चंस में जब बेस इक्वल हो और कंडीशंस डिवाइड का हो, तो हम लोग बेस को क्या करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, सॉरी पावर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं, बेस इक्वल होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 3 to the power 6 divide 3 to the power 4. Here you see that base are equal. Then according to the exponent's law, we subtract the power. 3 to the power 6 minus 4, 3 to the power 2. Third law says that if any quantity have power 0, if any quantity have power 0, then its value is 1. किसी भी क्वांटिटी पे जब उसका पावर 0 होता है तो उसका वैल्यू कितना होता है 1. यानी हम लोग 1000 लिख लें, उसका पावर यदि 0 कर दें तो उसका वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा. यदि हम लोग 10,000 लिख दें, उसका पावर 0 कर दें तो उसका वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा. Fourth law says that if x to the power m to the power n, यदि किसी क्वांटिटी में पावर का पावर दिया हो, यानी x to the power m to the power n, तब हम दोनों पावर्स को आपस में क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. जैसे x to the power m into n. यदि किसी भी क्वेश्चंस में पावर का पावर दिया हो तो हम दोनों पावर्स को क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. x to the power m into n. जैसे यदि कोई क्वेश्चन दिया हो 2 to the power 3 to the power 4, ये हो जाएगा 2 to the power 3 into 4 into 2 to the power 12. Fifth law. If any quantity, if x has minus power, it means h to the power minus m, then we can write 1 upon x to the power m. Listen again. If x to the power minus m, then x 1 upon x to the power प्लस m हो जाता है. जैसे यदि x to the power m होता है माइनस m होता है तो उसको लिखते हैं 1 upon x to the power m. यदि ये जो माइनस था नीचे अगर क्या हो जाता है, प्लस हो जाता है. जैसे ये 2 to the power 5 हो, इसको लिखना हो तो 1 upon 2 to the power 5. इसका यदि वैल्यू फाइंड करना हो 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 6 to the, sorry, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 62 to the 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 60 to the 32, and 1 upon 32. If any number in fraction form, which form? Fraction form, it means x upon y to the power minus last 6. If any fraction, any quantity in the form of fraction form and power is negative, then we can write 1 upon x upon y to the power m. It can be write as y upon x to the power m. Here, for example, 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3, it can be write as 1 upon 2. To the power 3, it can be write as 2 upon 1 to the power 3. Now, base are unequal, यदि x to the power m into y to the power m. Here in Seneca, if base are unequal and power are equal, then we multiply base to each other, यानी x into y and power are same. It means x y to the power m. X y to the power m. For example, 2 into 3 into 3 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. It means 2 multiply 3 to the power 3. It means 6 to the power 3. If we want to find this value, 6 is 36, 6 is 260. Next, law said that if any quantity have unequal base, like x to the power m divided y to the power m, then we can write x divided y to the power m. Listen again. किसी भी क्वेश्चंस में यदि बेस उसके अनइक्वल हो यानी असमान हो और उसके पावर समान हो, कंडीशन किसका हो, डिवाइड हो, तो सबसे पहले दोनों बेस का क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड करते हैं, फिर उसका पावर सेम होता है. जैसे 2 to the power 5 डिवाइड 4 to the power 2 divided 2 to the power 2. Then we can write 4 divided 2 to the power 2. And 2 to the power 2. It means 4. Here, your all components, all large exponents are over, are completed. Now we see some questions of exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Question 1. Question said है, calculate the indicated power. Calculate the indicated power. 8 to the power 3. It means we have to find the value of 8 to the power 3. In starting शुरुआत में हम बताए थे किसी भी बेस पे जितना पावर होता है उस बेस का उतनी टाइम क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. Here 8 to the power 3. It means 8 multiplied by 3 times. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 is 512. Here questions second said that express 576 as the product of power of its prime factors. Here questions 2. Question second said that denote 566 as exponential form. In any quantity, we want to represent the given quantity in exponential form. First of all, we find the factor of 576. Then we write this prime factor in multiplication form. Then we count the exponents of given factors and write them in exponential form. Now 576 divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 1 7 70. 2 8 ja 16. 2 8 ja 16. Now we divide it. 2 1 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. 2 7 ja 14. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 1 2 12. 2 6 ja 12. 18. 9 3 1. Here first of all we write prime factor in multiplicative form. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. यानी 2 कितने टाइम है, 6 टाइम. 2 into 2 into 1 1 2 3 4, 5, 6 into 3 into 3. Here, now calculate the power of these factors. Here 2 have 1 power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 2 to the power 6. 3 how many times? 2 times. 3 into 2. Here 576 equal to 2 to the power 6 and 3 to the power 2. Very good, students. Question number 3. Explain the following rational numbers in exponential form. ये तो न्यूमरल था. अब रेशनल नंबर को, फ्रैक्शंस को कैसे हम चेंज करेंगे एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में, उसको देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन 3. Question said है, explain the following numbers in exponential form. 64 upon 625. सबसे पहले हम न्यूमरेटर का फ्रैक्शन करेंगे, फिर डिनोमिनेटर का फ्रैक्शन करेंगे, फिर दोनों फैक्टर्स को फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में लिख करके फिर इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. सबसे पहले फैक्टर फाइंड करेंगे 64 का. 64 का फैक्टर 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 1. Now we can write 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 upon 625 now. It means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. ये जो ये हैं डायरेक्ट में हैं. 5 5 25 5 125 5 625. Now we calculate the power of the given factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 2 to the power 6 upon 5 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 64 upon 625. In exponential form, 2 to the power 6 upon 5 to the power 4. आज 4.1 क्लियर हो गया है. अब कल से दूसरा देखा जाएगा.